Started initializing digital assistant. Authenticating your ID and password. Password matched. Welcome Saurabh sir. Backing up the configuration. Checking power status, memory status and CPU usage. Entering in main control panel. Gathering audio and video files. Media library has been updated successfully. Loading custom components. Process completed. Hello everyone. I am JarviS upgraded version Infinity Point Infinity Digital Assistant. Created by user ID Saurabh8498. Tell me how may I help you? I am always ready for you sir.